Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to share with you what happened to me when I went for 2 days in nature with my beautiful ladies from different countries. We traveled together, we went spend our time in nature. It was unforgettable time. In May from 24 to 26 last year, it was called Weekend Retreat at Saltwater Resort in South Africa. That place is very nice, beautiful nature, very nice. Our supervisor told us, ladies, you are here to relax, to learn more, to break away the routines. Stay present, no lose the time. With this nature, you can know who you are. But that time I didn't understand how I can find myself in the forest. I was also very scared, but in my heart I pray God for helping me and protecting me. Then when I heard that, my supervisor said, I start to prepare myself. I connect myself. I start to get energy. I say to myself, I can't waste my time in this nature because it's my opportunity. I must explore this nature. I must explore this nature. I can even take time to pray my God. I can find who I really am. After that, they give us break for 2 hours to do whatever we want. Some of us, they choose to sleep. Others, they choose to pray for football. And others, we choose to walk in nature. So we were walking in nature, but I choose also walking alone. After 30 minutes in walking, my mind was open to ideas. My feelings changed. My feelings changed. I started to be happy, very happy. When I walk and I look at the bird, the trees, the different beautiful flowers, I was trying and connect to them on a deeper level, and I was amazed, very amazed. There is many reasons everywhere in nature. Nature was feel like a portal to me. Nature is beautiful place, incredible design. I was very appreciative God. How beautiful different things He made. God is good creator. That time I was feeling only happy. Let me tell you the truth. When I was walking there, my stress was reduced. My mood improved, the ideas. I started being inspired in me. I was want to write something, but unfortunately I didn't bring pen and notebook because I didn't expect what will going happened to me. Immediately when I come back there, I write my speech. Immediately when I come back there, I write my speech. Had the title, "It's the first time in my life." When we close the training, they ask everyone how the weekend was. Everyone speaks. When my turn came, I stand up. I took my paper. I said my speech in front of them, and they were very excited. And they asked me, "When you make this speech?" I was so surprised. I tell them, "When you give us the 2 hours for break, I walk in nature, and then this idea came in my brain." And I start to tell them how important nature is. My friend, if you want more ideas, spend your time in nature. If you want to relax and reduce stress, go in nature. Nature is available to everyone and is it free. I'm dying for everybody to see what I was seeing because it was wonderful. Even now, I like nature. At least one day per week, I must make sure I spend a little time in nature because it's my favorite place to be. When you go in nature, just listen, watch, see the wind moving through the branches. That fits me. From that place, you are strengthened. From that place, you are kinder. From that place, you are a better person for yourself and for others. The closer you get to the core of the natural world, the lessons language makes. That's when it's time to be quiet. If you are quiet long enough, you can fall through into every profound relationship to the nature world. And we really need those quiet space and those natural sounds. It's for our own preservation, if not everything else. When we start to see value in that, then I think things can really change. When you are in nature, trying to paint something that you found really beautiful, it is the most creative thing that you can do to express your thanks, what you see in front of you. And you feel appreciated and to be grateful to God who made nature like water, animals, the stones, the sound, the mountains. Nature helps us in the thinking mind, the physical being, the emotional being, the spiritual being, and the relational being. Nature has a lot of importance in our life. Teach the children about the nature and animals. Nature pray how Lord to inspire us. You can learn from nature. Always the good ideas coming from outside. It's not need about money, it's about you. You are like alone. Listen and watch. the stream of running water, the root of a tree. Touch the tree. Look and touch the flowers. I thank God again who made nature for us. It's our gift from our God. We must look after our nature. Make small nature around your house if it's possible. Plant the trees, the different flowers around your home. Thank you, everyone.